Hey everyone! Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien, ¿y tú? So welcome to my video on how to cook rice and beans. And the way you make your rice, you don't even have to measure. I'm gonna teach you an easy way. So, without further ado, let's get started. Oh, but first, I have to put on some Spanish music because it kind of gets me in the groove. Okay, I already have my rice. The way you want to measure it, don't worry, my hands are clean, is you put 2 fingers in. It should be, the top of the water should be at the second finger, okay? That is how I measure it, and it comes out perfect all the time. So first off, we want to add the beans. I already cleaned. You want to rinse off the top. Open up your beans, and now I got great value dark red kidney beans. Yes, save money today. All right, I'm gonna empty out the juice that's in here. Okay, so I emptied out the juice and I'm pouring the beans in there. Now you're gonna fill this up to the top with water. Bean. Okay, now next, you want to, let's throw some sauce. Tomato sauce. Throw a little bit of sauce in there. A little, like that. That's good enough. You don't want to put too much because you don't want it to be all saucy. And you know, we're making beans. We're not doing Italian today, you know. Alright, so next. Recaito or recaito. I don't remember really how to say it, but whatever. Don't blame me. Okay, so you want to like grab like 1 scoop, 2 scoops, I bought 2.5 scoops, all right? That's what I like to do, all right? I don't know what you do, don't judge me. That's what I do, and it comes out freaking perfect, okay? And the next, you want to clean the spoon because we don't want to do no cross-contamination. All right, so I cleaned off the spoon, opening up this. Now you want to put a little bit more than the green. Just a little more. Mix it. Oh yeah, you also want to kind of turn on this. Yeah. So I got that in. I like to throw in some olives. I like to put those in because they taste good. Got a fork and throw in like 4 of them, whatever. You know. Okay. Now we got some onion powder. Okay. So throw like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 or 20. Forget. Gosh. Okay. Next is garlic. So you want to do 20 little powder taps of the onion powder and 20 powder taps of the garlic powder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Bean. Okay, mix it. I keep mixing so it all gets, you know, mixed around evenly. Next, we gotta throw some salchichas in there because Puerto Ricans, we make salchichas in our beans. Okay, so I already cleaned up the top. You know, I ain't dirty. I ain't the dirty kind of girl, no. We gotta empty out the water in here because, you know, we don't cook with that. We don't mess with that stuff. Now we're gonna cut it up, you know. We're gonna cut it up because we want little pieces of this in the beans. Okay? Small pieces. I'm gonna just throw that into the beans. And then, oh yes, we cannot forget sazon. Now this has like a lot of salt, so sodium, whatever, so I only add half a bag to it, and then I put the other half into my rice because I'm gonna make some yellow rice, arroz amarillo, okay? Now mix that again, okay, and now I need to start this rice, so I'm gonna turn it on to medium high. Right? They're both on medium high right now, okay? And then also for the rice, I need to throw a little vegetable oil in there because we don't want the rice sticking. So just drop, do a little drop, okay? Like, I don't know, what that, a teaspoon maybe? I ain't about that measuring life. Oh, and then I want to just do a little bit of hamon. Okay, I do half of this. I already have half ready for me from last time I cooked, so you know, we save in here. All right, and yeah, I totally got all I need for the beans right now. So I'm going to wait until the beans start boiling. Boil for like about 10 minutes, and then remove from medium-high heat to low heat and cover it. Okay, and then you want to stir it every 10 minutes. Check on it and stir it. All right, because you know you can't be leaving the kitchen. All right, that's how people fire alarms go off. You know, you burn the rice. I know you probably burn the rice. If I'm not mistaken, you Spanish, you most likely burned the rice before. I mean, I know I grew up with smoke detector coming off. My mom always burned the rice, but she got it good now. All right, but yeah, so the rice and the beans, voila, waiting for it to boil. When this boils, when the rice boils, I'm gonna let it boil for like a little, like 10 minutes, nothing more than that. And then I'm gonna remove from medium high, put it on low, and cap it with the tapa. So that, my friends, is how you make some rice and beans, okay? Oh yeah, and I have this out also. You could throw a little bit of, this is Himalayan salt. You know, I really don't like to cook with salt, but I mean, if I'm gonna cook with any kind of salt, it's gonna be Himalayan because that's better. You know, you don't want to cook with white salt. That crap is just, throw that out. La bailan, mi vivi, la 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 la, la neni, parte parte, parte parte, la bailan, mi vivi, la 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 la. Mix it, mix it. Mix it, mix it. Okay, it is boiling. So what we are gonna do is, like I said, low, put it on low, and then put it with the tapa, beam. Now we're waiting for the rice to start boiling. It's there, it's getting there. Slowly but surely, guys. Slowly but surely. Okay, that looks good enough boiling to me. So I am putting this on low and I am covering it. Let's talk a little something here, guys. Cook for your man, okay? That's something you should do. They truly appreciate it. All right, more than you ever think. A nice hot plate with some arroz de con pollo y with some arroz de con pollo y frijoles or frijoles. Anyways, they'll enjoy that so much, okay? So make some Spanish food for them. Bless their tummy. They're gonna love it. They're gonna love you more, okay? You're gonna be that more special, okay? So, yeah. So if you like make what I just told you to make, comment how it came out. I would love to hear how you did in the kitchen, okay? Especially with the rice, because oh my gosh, like that tip that I learned is the best tip I ever learned. 2 fingers, that's it, 2. Don't let that water come up above that second finger or your rice. I mean, don't look at me, but if you do it how I say, and you have fingers like this, if you have really fat fingers, maybe just do 1, but or 1.5. But yeah, my rice has always came out really, really good like that. So, oh, and also if you want to actually say something in Spanish while you serve the plate to him, this is what you could say, okay? Yellow rice, red beans, and chicken. Ready? Arroz amarillo y frijoles rojas con pollo. Voila. If you need to relearn that, rewind, rewind, and then you could hear that again. Okay, I'm so excited for you to learn this because it's gonna be so amazing. You're gonna love it, okay? And yeah, I think I gotta go stir the beans now. Okay, I'll be back. Pate, 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 pate. Okay, I'm back. The beans are coming out marvelous, and the rice, yeah, you already know. 2 fingers, baby, 2 fingers. So, that was my lesson for the day. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you did. Because, guess what? That's the end, folks. Oh, wait, just kidding. I'm going to show you the end results. The rice is muy bien. Oh, yes. Rice is perfect. Oh, yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. How's the food, babe?
It was really good. Hit the spot.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm so happy for you because you just learned an amazing lesson. So, adios, arrivederci. Bye.